Meaning of funny.
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 Funny. Funny is an adjective used to describe something that causes amusement or laughter. It refers to anything that is humorous, amusing, or comical in nature. A funny thing may make us smile, giggle, or laugh out loud. This can include jokes, puns, witty remarks, or humorous situations. Laughter is often associated with relaxation and a release of tension. Therefore, funny things can bring joy and happiness to people's lives. Whether it's a funny movie, a funny book, or a funny friend, laughter is a universal language that connects people and makes life more enjoyable.